So I just got this new backpack for like all my travels and stuff. I usually use this backpack. It's my old Zeta bag, and oh my god, it's a disaster to travel with. There's barely any pockets. The zipper started messing up. Like, there was so much. So my mom overnighted this one to me since, you know, my plane got canceled, so we had more time to do stuff. So I'm glad. This has so many pockets. It has a pocket here. It goes all the way down. It has a pocket here, like a zipper here. Goes all the way down. There's one compartment here and a zipper here, all the way down. Another little compartment here. Then you open it up, it's a compartment here, and it has a laptop sleeve, and it has an iPad sleeve. What more could you ask for? This is awesome. I'm very happy about this. Let's pack my bag. I just changed real quick, so I wasn't in my pajamas, but okay, let's do it now. I just got a new package, so let's open it up and see what's in here. I have no clue what is in here, so let's find out together. I'm excited. I love getting new packages. Alright. I literally have no clue what's in here. Oh, period. This is the Libre Flowers and Flames perfume by YSL. And then I got the Myself perfume by YSL. I get YSL PR, which is always like so shocking to me. But this is awesome. They literally sent big sizes. Okay, let's open them up and give them a smell. Let's see, I have so many perfumes already, so I might give this away. Let's see. Oh, honey, I don't got this. I do not got this. It smells good. I feel like I have this. I don't think I have it in as big of a size, but I'm pretty sure I have this. But this is what it looks like. Gorgeous. Isn't this such a gorgeous bottle? Ah, oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see what this other one looks like. What it smells like. Whoa, oh, I'm obsessed with this. Look at this packaging. There we go. Look at that packaging. Period. This one's called Myself. I'm not feeling that one. I don't like that one. I don't love that one, but I do really like this one. I am gonna give these away. Who am I gonna give this to? We'll find out. But I'm gonna definitely give these away. Okay, that was it, guys. I just made chili for dinner. It's gonna be so good. Yep, that's gonna be good. I'm gonna turn it up on the fire a little bit higher. And then got some rice cooking. Here's the rice. Okay, so I have my tea here. Does it need to be reheated? Let's see. It's good enough. I've got my tea here. And I'm thinking, like, let's talk about Raw Beauty Kristi. So if you don't know who Raw Beauty Kristi is, she's this beauty and lifestyle creator who has been in a bit of drama the last year. So I'm gonna tell you the tea. It's like serious tea. So basically the first thing is that she was following James Charles, who is a child predator. and he's already like admitted what he's done. And James Charles is another beauty influencer, and he's already admitted to it himself, like it's been a really big thing. So she was still following him, liking his post, all that. And so she got called out about that by Peter Mon, who is like this drama YouTuber, who like talks about all of the drama that happens within the beauty community. And he was like really big, like 2016, like at the height of the beauty community. He was like up there getting those views. But Raw Beauty Kristi wasn't one of the creators that got talked about within the drama community, because usually she hasn't done anything that like requires that. But now we're starting to see like, no, she's a lot more problematic than she seems. And so then her kid was seen at this like anti-LGBTQ plus IA rally, like wearing this thing that was like don't mess with our kids, which is this like really hateful organization against trans people and against the LGBTQ plus IA community. So yeah, like, Kristi, what are you doing, Kristi? So this whole time we're thinking Kristi is like this way, that she's like progressive and she's sweet and like she's above the drama and like above doing like negative things to her audience for money. Turns out she's a lot less like innocent and like sweet and progressive. Like she's not nearly as progressive as we thought that she was, and she's not as sweet as we thought she was. Like she's a pretty much completely different person. And so I was watching her, I've been watching her for like years, probably since like 2017, 2018, maybe 2018, 2019. That's probably more accurate. So I've been watching her for a while, really got into her around 2020. And so when I saw all of this stuff, I was like really surprised about it. But the fact that she didn't address either issues is what really like was nail in the coffin for me, where I was like, I can't support you. You didn't address this. And this would have been so easy to clear up and just say like, hey, my kid ended up here that I didn't know about this organization. I don't know what she would have said, but basically like clearing up, no, I do support people in the LGBTQ plus IA community. Like I do support them. Saying that like I didn't mean to follow James Charles, or this has been brought to my attention, I've unfollowed him, like something. And she hasn't done that. And she actually lied, saying she didn't know what was going on in the beauty community, and she did know. You know how I know? Because I seen her talk about it myself with my own ears and eyes. Girl. So I don't know, I think it's really interesting like seeing like the truth and like the real personalities behind these creators, because who are you for real? Like when the cameras are off and like nobody's paying attention, who are you actually? That's fascinating to me, because I try to come on here like how I am, and I'm sure in some ways I'm probably not exactly how I am, because it's hard to show up completely 100% yourself, but I'm like very similar, I'm sure, to how I appear online. Versus Kristi, I'm like, you're literally pretending to be someone, allegedly it's giving, you're pretending to be this way online, but in reality you've got these really extreme like views. But yeah, so what do you think about Kristi and like all the drama? Do you feel like she's like, she just needs a little bit of grace? Do you feel like she's, I don't know, do you feel like she is actually the nice person she's presented herself to be, or do you feel like she's tricking us all? Because I feel like she's tricking us. But I just had to bring that up because I was just watching a video by Peter Mon talking about it and talking about her, and so I wanted to like start the discussion too, like, what do you think about Kristi? Because I think Kristi's playing us. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. I actually think that should be the end of today's vlog, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.